We wanted to disaggregate our delivery into measurable, bite-sized areas or buckets. And I think that's where the need for a product slash service like Shopper Value came around. As a leader of retail in my firm, I felt that this is the language of culture that we need to build. We need to build in a culture of measurability. We are enabled. If we are getting footfall, we can then work on conversion. We can drive our stores towards converting the footfall we are getting. We can then work towards upsizing our customers' basket. We can work on increasing the average order value. And by focusing on each one of those avenues, we will be able to deliver store-wise growth, store-wise achievement of revenue target. And all those little bits will come together, and we will start hitting our targets for the day, for the week, for the month, and for the year. So that was the kernel or the genesis of the idea, and we systematically went hand in hand with the Confizz team in building that culture within our organization. We went to every region, every major city in our network. We trained our people, and then every interaction became, what's your conversion? How is it improved from the previous month, previous year? What is the average order value? Items per transaction? What will help you drive these metrics up? Are we short of staff? Do we have too much staff? What are the training needs of an individual store? All of this came through by using this very powerful technological tool which allows you to first diagnose and then monitor progress of the solution that you're implementing to achieve your given sales goals and your footfall goals and your conversion goals. Our biggest region for the last 2 years has been struggling to grow. When we drill down into it, there was a footfall issue. We realized that we needed a leadership change, a leader who could understand that by driving conversion, he can address a declining footfall situation and still deliver growth. We found a sales leader who had this experience with using Shopper Value, and I'm happy to share that region has now become our highest growing region, despite a declining footfall in the last 2.5 quarters. Earlier, these decisions would have been made on guesstimations. They would have been made on the feedback you would get from branch managers or regional managers. But now, sitting here sort of at one location, centrally, you could make your decisions based on hard data. It gave you a lot of confidence that you were making the right decision because your data was backing it. And if you took a call and you could also monitor the impact of the data in the subsequent weeks and tweak it very quickly. So I think all those efficiencies were enabled by having a system like Shopper Value at our disposal. The quality of the conversation is tremendously enhanced, and we would not be able to have those conversations if we were not subscribing to Shopper Value. I think that sums it up for us very nicely.